Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find accounts. And here, as you can see, we've got a Google account added. If you want to delete it, simply click on this and click on remove account. Your device will ask you if you are really ready to remove the account, so click remove account. If you are sure, click OK. Then verify if it's you. If you do not have your fingerprint added, then probably you will have to enter your PIN. OK, and as you can see, we've just deleted the Google account. To add it, simply click on Add Account, choose Google. Wait a second. And from this level you can either create an account if you do not have your own, or simply type email or phone, and let me do this. I've got it here saved. After that, click on next. And now you have to enter your password. Let me do this out of the screen. Okay. After typing the password, simply click on next. Now here you can read the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you are ready and if you agree with all of them, simply click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info. If you accept that, simply click on I accept. And as you can see, here we've got our new account added. So that's all. This is how you add and remove Google account from your Motorola Edge. And thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.